Presets can be created per zone on the bookmark page. These presets capture the settings visible on each zone page. You can create presets at different volume levels and control the time taken to change between them. I'm going to create one now for my streamed music service playing at half volume. Routines are a method to trigger any of the presets stored across the app in response to time settings from the built-in real-time clock. With the day of the week buttons, combinations of weekday, daily or weekend timings can be set for each routine, which can then trigger one zone preset for each zone, one global preset, one streamer preset per streamer, and a collection of system presets.